Alright, so here's a comparison of this is the original breaker that's failed. This is a replacement. And this is the color coding right here, which tells us it's an AFGF, right? This is an all-in-one, so it can function as that also. They're both 15 amps. They're both, let's look at the thickness, they're both 1 inch. And the model number of the one I'm pulling is there, which we already determined. And the model number that we're replacing is right here. That'll actually be easier. And as you can see, we have the issues with the pigtails coming off the disposal circuit and the dishwasher circuit because they get long and they run into the main coming in, which goes along in the gutter in there. So we're not going to have that issue with this breaker because it's going to be this. It's basically going to be this wide. It's going to be that just a little bit longer than like the dryer one. It's not going to be too much longer. The terminals, these are easier also. These are on the right here to get to. The hot was right here, and then the loads were right there, and I pulled those out before I did that just so it wouldn't interfere with that main on there. Made it a little bit easier to get out. So now we're going to endeavor to connect this. I'm going to connect the pigtail first, and then I'm going to do the load connectors for the neutral and for the hot, which go on right here.